Welcome back, Evergreen traders and investors. This is our EquiTalks episode number 91. My name is JC De Guzman, founder and CEO of Equilyst Analytics Incorporated. In this 91st episode, I'll be talking about my analysis and I'll be giving you my recommendations for 8990 or 8990 Holdings Incorporated, and the stock code is HOUSE. By the end of this podcast or analysis, I will be answering this question, or this question will be answered. And the question is, should you trade the range or wait for a breakout? Well, the question is, what range are we talking about? And a breakout from which resistance? You will hear the answers from me as we go through my analysis that is inspired by my evergreen strategy in trading and investing in the Philippine stock market. Before we take a look at the daily chart of house, let me just give you a brief background information about my evergreen strategy. It's a collection of my proprietary methodologies in trading and investing in the Philippine stock market. You heard it right. It applies both to short-term trading and long-term investing. And there are 6 modules that you will learn in this online stock market course or online stock market seminar. To know more about it, visit our website at equilyst.com and then click on the course page on the homepage. All right, so let's talk about the daily chart of CPG. Today, February 3, 2020, Monday, CPG closed at 0.48. Support is at 0.46, resistance is at 0.56. It was a net foreign selling year to date, but there's nothing that we need to worry about it because foreign funds participation is not that significant, relatively speaking. The 10 MACD of CPG is already bearish. What makes it bearish? What makes it bullish? What are the elements inside this 10 MACD? And what's this 10 MACD, by the way? Well, those questions are all answered in my online stock market course. You know where to go if you'd like to know more about it. Okay, the risk level of CPG is already it's still low due to its historical volatility score of 39%. You will also learn in my Evergreen Strategy, the online stock market course, the significance of knowing the risk level of a stock based on its historical volatility score, and how can you use that information into decision making. All right. Now, based on my trade and volume distribution analysis, CPG has a volume weighted average price of 14.72. Unluckily, it's already higher than the last price of 14.7. Why unlucky? Why unluckily? What's wrong about it? You know, if you are hoping to get a bullish momentum power indicator, the VWAP should always be lower or at least equal to the last price. And that's just not the only thing that you need to watch out for if you're hoping to get a bullish momentum power indicator. There are so many things that you can learn from the online stock market course, and not just this one. And in addition to that, you will also learn what is this momentum power indicator thingy. So that's just one of the many things that you will learn from me within that online stock market seminar or online stock market course. The dominant range of CPG for today is between 14.7 to 14.72. That's closer to the intraday low than the intraday high. But anyway, it's already a bearish momentum power indicator because the VWAP is 2 centavos higher than the last price. The true market sentiment for today is not that cooperative due to its bearish true market sentiment. Okay, for my recommendation, if you already have CPG and under the assumption that your trailing stop is still intact, although I doubt it if it's still really intact at this point, but for the benefit of the doubt and given that scenario, I would recommend that you hold your position, don't top up. Hold your position, don't top up. If you are a non-high risk trader, I would recommend that you reduce the percentage of risk on your trading stop. You can use our online calculators. Go to our website, equilyst.com, click on resources, go to tools, and then you will find those calculators. Okay? Don't average down. All right? It's a rule of thumb here at Equilyst Analytics. Now, if you don't have CPG, maintain it that way, meaning to say stay on a cash mode as far as trading CPG is concerned. Don't enter in a new position because simply put, there's no confirm buy signal. If you would like to get a confirm buy signal for any stock, as far as our strategy here at Equilyst Analytics is concerned, the stock's 10 MACD and momentum power indicator must be bullish. All right, if you are one of our customers, if you're one of our subscribers, you can request for this stock's latest analysis and recommendation in our private clients forum, especially when you notice a significant change in terms of price or volume. How do you subscribe? Go to our website at equilyst.com and then click on the subscribe page on top. And those 6 inclusions in this stock market service, stock market subscription service, are already well explained, well described, and what? Well explained, well described, with a corresponding example on their respective pages. So please, you got to read. You get to if you're going to uh, get our assistance here, it's mandatory that you should love reading. You're going to hate me if you don't love reading. I promise you that. You're going to hate me if you don't like reading at all. And I'm not going to, I'm not sugarcoating this one. You really have to love reading because we explain things in a very detailed manner here at Equilyst Analytics. Okay? So again, go to our website, go to equilyst.com, and then click on the subscribe page. And for your information, if you are going to subscribe to our online stock market subscription service, make sure that you also have access to our online stock market course because it's the blueprint, it's the heart of the methodology that makes our guidance operate here at Equilyst Analytics. Okay? So subscribe, but make sure that you also have access to the online stock market course. Don't just subscribe without availing of the online stock market course. That's not going to be helpful at all. So if you'd like to, you can avail of the online stock market course first. Once you are done watching and studying all of those courses, maybe in 1 week or 2, then you may avail of the online stock market subscription service after the stock market course. All right? And also, let me welcome you to, or encourage you to sign up to our free newsletter. Go to our website at equilyst.com, and then you click on the resources menu on top, click on learn, and then you will see this orange sign up button. After signing up, check your inbox. If it's not in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. And then you confirm your registration. Otherwise, you will not be receiving an automated email from us whenever we publish a new EquiTalks episode like this one. And also, lastly, go to the description box down below. If you're listening to this podcast on SoundCloud or if you're watching this video on YouTube, there's a description box down below. Click those links that will lead you to our social media accounts. Follow us so that aside from that email notification, you will also be receiving an alert from your favorite social media channel whenever we publish a new episode. All right? So if you have questions, feel free to comment down below. Again, my name's JC De Guzman, and thank you for listening or watching this episode, EquiTalks episode number 91. Always remember, be evergreen.